5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I would like to see the rocket, the fire, and the launching.
Getting to come here to see a rocket launch and from like people with NASA, it's just so amazing to see all of that. It really is.
We were really at awe. They rolled out the red carpet for us. It's been truly, truly amazing.
It means a lot that I get to actually see basically a rocket for the first time in my life, and that they're basically taking care of us.
I've seen them on TV and far away, but I never expected to be this close. I never thought I'd be doing this. I really appreciate it.
The state has very limited dollars that's really for basic needs and safety, and so at the foundation, we provide opportunities for our kids, whether it's music lessons or tutoring, or an opportunity like this with NASA where they can experience something different and really get that personalized care that they really need.
I feel like a big kid. This was so exciting. It was so beautiful, and I thank the foundation for allowing this to happen.
Thank you, Foundation for Foster Children. You guys are awesome.